Welcome to this explainer. I am absolutely thrilled to have you here today because we are tackling a subject that holds massive potential, but, let's be honest, can feel a bit like a maze if you don't have the right map. Today, we're setting up a definitive roadmap to demystify exactly how you choose the perfect Forex exchange for your personal trading journey. Whether you're completely new to the markets or you're just looking to upgrade your current setup, nailing down the right exchange is absolutely the bedrock of your success.
Okay, let's look at our game plan for today. We're going to break this all down into a clear, manageable roadmap. First, the massive Forex market. Second, what actually makes a top exchange. Third, a 5-step framework to choose your platform. Fourth, a look at top brokers. And finally, beginners versus experienced traders.
All right, kicking things off with part 1, the massive Forex market.
Before we talk about the tools to access the market, you really have to understand the environment itself. Think of the global foreign exchange market as this hyper-fast financial highway that literally never sleeps. And the volume of traffic? It is staggering. We are talking trillions of dollars traded every single day. Not billions, trillions. The opportunity here is immense, but to navigate a highway this big and this fast, you can't just walk onto it. You need a highly reliable vehicle.
So what are people actually doing out on this highway? Well, Forex trading is basically just buying and selling currencies to profit from changes in exchange rates. It's all about anticipating which way the economic winds are going to blow. But you cannot do this alone. To access this massive network, you need an entry point. In the world of Forex, your exchange is your vehicle. If your vehicle breaks down, if it's too expensive to run, or if it lacks safety features, your journey is going to be incredibly difficult.
Which brings us to part 2. What makes a top exchange?
We really need to establish the non-negotiable baseline features you need before you even put a key in the ignition. If you've spent any time researching this, you've probably stared at your screen and thought, okay, but which Forex platform is actually the best? It is so incredibly overwhelming. There are hundreds of platforms out there, shouting at you with intense marketing jargon, promising the tightest spreads and the absolute fastest execution. It is completely normal to feel paralyzed by the sheer volume of choices available to you.
So let's cut through that noise with part 3, 5 steps to choose.
We've got a foolproof 5-step checklist for you. Step 1, check regulation. This is your safety belt. You absolutely must verify that the exchange is monitored by proper financial authorities to protect yourself. Step 2, evaluate costs. Look closely at spreads, commissions, and overnight swap fees, which are just charges for holding a position into the next day, because high costs will quietly eat away at your profits over time. Step 3, review platforms. Ensure they offer advanced charts and fast execution speeds. Step 4, test a demo account. Never, ever risk real capital before you've test-driven the platform with virtual funds. And Step 5, compare currency pairs. Make sure they actually offer the specific, major, minor, or exotic pairs that fit your personal strategy.
Now, looking beyond all the shiny marketing claims, what really holds a great exchange together? Well, you want to look for deep liquidity pools. That means when you click buy or sell, the order goes through instantly at accurate market prices. You also want robust customer support, either 24/7 or 24/5, simply because global Forex markets operate around the clock during the work week. Look for educational webinars to help you grow, and crucial structural pillars like multiple deposit and withdrawal options, from bank transfers to digital wallets. These features ensure seamless execution and total transparency. A trusted exchange doesn't just process your trades, it actually protects your profits.
Let's get specific in part 4, a look at top brokers. Let's shift gears from theory to practice and check out some specific industry-leading vehicles. Comparing top brokers side by side reveals the massive variety out there, especially in their demo environments. Take XTB, for instance. They're offering a massive $100,000 in virtual capital on their proprietary XStation 5 platform, complete with an unlimited reset option. Then you have Fusion Markets giving you flexibility between 10 grand and 100 grand on the industry-standard MT4 and MT5 platforms. Admiral Markets provides 10 grand to test the waters on the MetaTrader suite. And Exness, they give you 10,000 across multiple platforms, including a web trader, also with unlimited resets. The minimum virtual deposits and platform software suites vary wildly depending on who you go with.
But you know, we don't just trade at our desks anymore. Technology has evolved tremendously, so let's look at the mobile space. AvaTrade offers something really cool called Ava Protect, which is a unique risk management tool right in the app that safeguards specific trades against losses for a defined period. Fusion Markets brings ultra-low latency execution and over 50 technical indicators straight to your phone. Admiral Markets' MT5 mobile app is loved by technical analysts for offering 21 different time frames on the go. And Exness takes it a step further, using AI-powered insights to help you understand your trading patterns while offering one-tap access to over 3,000 global markets. These apps literally put high-speed execution and advanced tech right in your pocket.
Finally, we hit Part 5, Beginners vs. Experienced Traders.
This brings us to our final and arguably most important factor, because the ultimate truth here is that the best exchange is highly subjective. What works for a seasoned veteran might be a total disaster for a newcomer. Think about it. If you're a beginner, you need an automatic sedan with top-tier safety features, right? A simple user interface so you don't accidentally click the wrong button, robust demo accounts, heavy educational resources, and low minimum deposits. You want to learn without crashing. But if you're an experienced trader, you don't want the sedan. You want a manual sports car. You need advanced order types, high leverage options, deep liquidity for massive trades, and hardcore professional analytical tools. You have to be totally honest with yourself about where you are on this spectrum to pick the right platform.
Which leaves us with one massive question to wrap up this explainer today. Are you ready to choose your vehicle and confidently enter the global market? You have the roadmap now. You understand the sheer scale of the market, the 5 steps to evaluate any platform, the top brokers available right now, and the absolute importance of matching the technology to your specific experience level. Take this framework, apply it to your own personal risk tolerance, and start your trading journey on the right foot. Thank you so much for joining me today, and happy trading.